This is Rebecca with GTI Academy. Let's take a few minutes to talk about calibrations in Hexagon EAM. But first, remember to subscribe so you never miss out when new content is released. So what is calibration? Calibration is the act of comparing a device under test with a reference standard of a known value. Examples include measuring the boiling point of a thermometer or comparing a pressure gauge to another gauge that is calibrated. The intent is to verify the accuracy of an instrument, and in some industries, these readings are regulated to ensure compliance with controls and statutes. Let's look at an example together. Equipment can be part of an individual calibration instrument or part of a calibration loop, and the details are defined on the Equipment Screen Calibration tab. This is an individual calibration, so we selected Instrument. We are measuring pressure in terms of the kilopascal, so the test point UOM is kPa. The device tolerance represents the desired range for the measurement and can be defined as a percentage or absolute value. Next, an alert tolerance can also be specified. You may hear this referred to as a service percentage and is used to indicate that while a reading is acceptable, it is closer to the device tolerance limits than desired. The precision controls the decimal places, and you do have an option to specify an increment if the measurement is captured as a multiple, such as 5, 10, 15, 20. The SOP is simply a text field where you can reference the standard operating procedure for the calibration. I would then upload the SOP as a document attachment to the equipment for easy reference. And finally, the system will automatically populate the next calibration due with the date of the next calibration work order. After defining the calibration details, you can then proceed with specifying the test points. The test points represent the values and UOMs at which the calibration of the instrument will be tested. For our first test point, the device tolerance will be within 20 kilopascals. So essentially, the test point would pass if the reading was between 380 and 420. You can add as many test points as necessary. And keep in mind that calibrations and test points can be associated with equipment categories. So the details copy to calibration work orders for equipment in the category. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and stay tuned for a video on how to record a calibration on a work order. Thanks for watching.